Go with one by one, all of your questions. Hmm?
Okay, Anusha, so while I'm working with send keys, right? If I'm opening two browsers with same caption,
Please share
the
your screens first. Team, please share your screens and ask your question accordingly. I can guide you.
yeah, just a second, Anusha.
Yeah, yeah. Please be ready with all of your laptop screens.
So, Anusha, is my screen visible?
It's loading for me. Yes, it's visible. Mhm. Just
Okay,
show
so
me your test case. What is your test case and what exactly the issue are facing?
okay, the issue here is see. So, assignment which trying to run, right? It's not fitting, Anusha.
Expand your entire test case where exactly you are getting an error, precondition, process, or post condition.
Process. It's in the process, and I think it's in this page, Anusha, account page.
Enter login details. Expand the two steps. Enter login details, account page both. Okay, here you are just passing the login details. Okay, later you are verifying the my account. Okay, in a text.
So
Okay,
this
what
this
is
thing is saying this is not found, Anusha.
seems it is not a unique. Just try to run the scenario.
I'll run it again.
See, the account is visible. Okay, this pop-up is coming. Use handle this pop-up not
Okay.
now or use T-box dialog to handle this one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So
wait,
this is
wait.
coming, Anusha. This is visible, but still it's getting failed actually.
Yeah. So once it is failed, the first analysis why it is failed. That is the first part. Okay. What is the login for it is telling? Could not find the link with the name as my account. So at the time of scanning, you added in a text tag and then focus. Maximize the scratchbook window. Why you close that? You have to review now. So go to
Okay.
home tab, click on scratchbook, drag and drop that scratchbook to the middle window, scratchbook window to middle. Yeah, drop here and expand the error log. See, expand the logs to step, expand this log info. So what is error it is telling? Drag this one, maximize this window, pop-up window.
Which pop-up?
In a the log info level, you can see the drag icon, right bottom, you can see dots, right corner below. Yeah,
Okay.
just drag. Yeah, so that's it. So it is telling could not find the link. Okay. With the
Yeah.
following properties. At the time of scanning this my account, you added focused, inner text, and a tag. Focused is nothing but Kavya. It is focusing the cursor movement on the my account. So is that true?
Okay.
No, right?
Yeah.
See, at the time of run, the cursor movement not focusing on the my accounts.
Yeah,
But
correct.
in a properties, it is you added one property that is a focused equal to true.
Yeah.
Tosca is not identifying that. See, identification mechanism is very, very important. Okay, what properties you guys are adding, based on that, it run the scenarios. Are you
Okay.
getting my point? Just go to your module section right here. Just right click on here, jump to module. Don't check manually, simply use the shortcut ways. Okay, go to the
Okay.
scratch book, right click on the test step, account page, jump to test step value. Not here. So jump
Okay.
to test step value. Again, do right click, jump to module attribute. It directly jump to the module. Okay. In the
Okay.
right side, expand the properties. Yes. So here the business focused is equal to total. Just remove that. Check out this particular module first. You're not able to remove that. Just do checkout first. Select the respective module. Yes. Do right click, checkout. Exactly. Very good. Scroll down. Select that my account. My account hyperlink. Select my account hyperlink. Yeah. Right click on this focused. Don't delete any value over there.
Okay.
So just follow my instructions. Right click on focused. Come out. Delete. Now go to your test case. Test case section. Run only this particular test up where exactly it is failed. I think not here. Yeah, here itself. Go to here. Oh. Account page. Select the account page. Right click. Run.
So let's open.
It's already open. Just do a run. Yeah. Again, it is failed. Expand the error. So see here, it is telling found multiple controls with the following properties. Okay. So within the web page, it is not the one control with the name as my account. It's more than one is there. Hope are you getting?
Okay. But then, Anusha, while scanning and creating it, right? I made it unit and then only added it.
Yeah, you made it unique with focused equal to true, but focused equal to true, it's not a stable property, right?
Okay.
See, even if you're using make unique button, make sure to check which values properties it is selected, right? Go back
Okay.
to the module and rescan. Just select the module. Do right click rescan. See, my account is a not unique property. So in the bottom team, if any controls are not unique, you can see those all added into unmapped control section. Okay. So
Okay.
here, not there. Yes. In unmapped control, my account, in the right side, you can see the link icon, right? Link icon, not completely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not here. Little bit right. Yes. That is a
Okay.
map icon. Okay. You have to
Okay.
map this control. Click on this map. Select here my account. Since it is not a unique property. Okay,
Okay.
scroll down. Add class name. class name, since it is unique now. Okay, class name is always stable property. Save the module. In the left, you can see done option, done. Click on done and then save. Close this window. Now come back to your test step. Try to run the test step now. It is executed now. If you want to run the entire test case from the scratch again, you can do it. Run the scenario without any error.
Okay. Okay, Anusha. And then Anusha, there is this another problem also that I'm facing. I'm not able to see if I am trying to add incognito here, right? So then this is not getting executed, Anusha. When user arguments, if I give,
Not here. Expand the arguments. The below arguments you have to enter. Hyphen in private. See, the browser section it should be select mode. If it is selected, that value column reflects into the gray color. Do one thing, the browse argument section is there, right?
yeah,
There, change the action mode, select to any other action mode.
wait on.
Yeah, choose any other action mode. Then again, come back to select. Again, select action mode. Yes, click on it. Select. Able to hear me, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
please make sure, team, whenever you guys are implementing select action mode, that value column must reflect into a gray color. Now it is reflected, right? Try to run your scenario now. See, it is a security reasons the script is not running. So here you have to perform click operation on this Cloudflare checkbox manually. Yes.
Okay.
Must it is taking some time to load and verification check. Okay. In a registration link level, add wait on. Are you added wait on here? Go back. Just jump to test step. Good. So before performing a click operation or register, make sure to wait until this registration is visible. Okay. What exactly you are doing? Not T-box wait. I just said wait on.
Okay. So I can give wait on here.
Is that enough? Once you wait, again you have to perform click operation and register, right?
Yeah.
Then what is your
Okay. I
next
need to
activity?
increase the cardinality and
Yeah, change the cardinality. Do check out. Yes, change the cardinality of register. Come to your test case. Yes, very. So the first register, you already selected wait on, but remove that click operation there. Existence is equal to true or visibility equal to true. Just give that steer property. Visible equal to true. Yes. In a register level, perform click operation there. Try to run now. Just run. Only register. Yeah. Say for this incognito, I mean in private mode, that lies extension is not activated. So this open URL, it always works for the any browser without any extension. Okay. If you want to perform any actions on the browser, must extension is required. Click on that one.
Anush.
Yeah,
But
click on
then
it. Hmm?
In the edge, right? I have added the extension, Anusha.
So do cross check in the concrete and in private also. Why you remove that?
In private also, should I add this extension?
So let me do cross check, Kavya. I'm just
Okay,
telling
okay,
the steps, not just do follow, okay?
okay,
Just try to open your incognito mode. See, the extension which you added for the normal is that is not working for the incognito. Okay.
okay.
So here you can check that icons in private before one icon is there. Click on that. What is that icon? It is favorites not required. Click on three dots here. Go to extensions, manage extension. It's been already added. Click on details here. Scroll down. So you are not allowing this one to run in a private. Then how it run the scenario? Enable this one. You said you already enabled this.
I think I
Close
did it
this.
in Chrome.
Yeah, maybe it is restored. Just close and rerun the scenario. So team, if you want to run the scenarios in incognitos, make sure you have to enable that option. Okay. No, no, try to run entire test case. You just close the browser, right? Mm.
Okay.
Entire test case, try to run. I'll just bring some my charger. Give me 1 minute. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it
Still
failed, Anusha.
issues coming up. NOP commerce. Try to add some T box weight within the precondition before performing a click operation.
Already
You
added.
already added, right? Just
Yeah.
increase that to 5000 milliseconds. Let's see. So make sure that extension is activating or not. We have to cross check that. Okay. If
Okay.
that is not activating, then it will not run the scenarios. The verification check itself, it is taking some time, Kavya. Try to run the steps manually, the process level steps. Just rerun the process. Yeah. Right click and run. Now it is activated. The issue is here, the service, that the security check is there. It is killing the time. Okay. Increase the T box weight. Okay, na?
Okay.
Mm. What is your next doubt?
So my next doubt is, Anusha, while working on with send keys, right? So in send keys, if like two browsers are opened at same time with same caption, it is giving an error rather than closing, mentioning two windows have same title. That is expected, right?
Yeah, expected only. If you
Okay,
mention caption, it will always try to find the window with the unique.
okay,
If you have duplicate entries windows, then it will give an error. More than one window is having same caption. That is expected only.
okay. And if send keys have no caption,
It will work.
then which browser will it close if there are two browsers open?
The active one. For example, we'll open the windows in sequence manner. Right? First, you open the Chrome one window. Later, you can open. At the time
Okay,
of execution, which window is visible in the screen, it will close that.
okay.
Hmm?
And then Anusha, here if there is any test case that's not required, like if we want to delete these steps, how can we delete them from in
You
the
no
test
need
case?
to delete because it is a default. It is there in the module section. Okay,
Okay,
module what controls it is holding. You can able to see by default all these controls. So you
okay,
cannot delete. You can hide it. Okay, how to do a
okay,
hiding? Just go to the view tab. View tab. The top after home you can see view tab. Yeah,
okay,
click on
okay,
here. Hide do nothing option is there, right? Yes,
okay,
it will hide all the
okay,
controls which is not performed any action over there. Just click on that. You are not
okay.
able to see all the elements, right?
Yeah, correct.
So which
Okay.
controls you added some activities, those only visible to you. Hmm?
Ah, okay, okay. Um, And Anusha, when I opened when I opened an edge, and I'm trying to if there is one edge with one window, and then another edge browser with like two tabs opened. So that is the first one that I have opened should get closed actually when I'm giving, but the second one is getting closed, Anusha.
So which standard module are you using here?
T-box, wait, a T-box start program, I guess.
So
Yeah,
if you are using a T-box start program, by default, it kill all the tabs. I think you are using close browser. Do cross check.
oh yeah, sorry, close browser, correct.
So what close browser it do? Okay. It check all the matching tabs which is starts with a title. For
Okay,
example, five tabs are open with a different browser. It close all the five tabs because all these are meeting the title.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
That is expected behavior of a closed browser. It will not give any error message like more than one tab is open because the default nature of closed browser, if what are the title you mentioned here, if it is meet this title with more than one tab or five tabs or six tabs, it close all the tabs.
okay. And then
Okay.
Anusha, while testing, I noticed that like if in Edge I'm opening few browsers and I'm trying to completely close this browser, right? So everything is getting closed, but if there is a tab that is open, like new tab is getting open for me, like if I'm opening this, like I have opened like two, right? This is getting closed, but this new tab is not getting closed, Anusha.
Yes. That's closed browser, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, correct.
So the closed browser level title is mandatory. Okay, that is the first point. I mean, if you mention title, it will run the scenarios which is related to title. Okay. If you not mentioned any title, it close the all matching tabs. Okay, just go back to your browser. So all matching tabs means it close your Woodme tab, not new tab. New
Okay.
tab is the feature which is there in the Edge application itself. It is a desktop related one. If you passed any URL or any kind of application, then it close that tab also.
But it's happening for me for both the T-box windows and Senke's operation also.
City box windows, it close the entire window.
Yeah, but it's not happening for me.
You can check it. Just try to run again. Go to your T box window operation. Hmm. Select the window operation. You're just using NOP star. So but the browser is different there. Do check out and rename this title.
So it should have a correct title.
Yes, definitely it is corrected. What are the number you are text you are passing must it has to meet the text.
Okay, so if I'm like talking in ChatGPT.
Star use asterisk. If any spaces are there, it will include that.
Okay.
Mm.
So,
Try to run now. It closed the complete browser, right?
yeah,
You
then I
said the
close.
new tab is also open. See this close window operation, it close complete window, even irrespective of the number of tabs. Understand?
Okay. Smoky is also. So it should match the tab, like any one window, like if I'm opening like one Udemy, one ChatGPT, one NOP, everything, and one new tab is open, so it should match any one title and it will close the complete browser.
What title name you mention here based on title, it find the window, respective window, and then it close that window only.
So here in Senkis, if you don't mention the caption, then how will it react?
So in your system, the number of applications open, right?
Yeah.
At runtime, which application is visible to the screen, it automatically close that window. If you not
Okay.
mention the title, just remove the title. Try to run now. Don't open anything, just try to run. Okay.
Okay.
Right click and run. So now it is running. Which window it is open in the backend? Which window you are able
Ex
to see? Udemy screen, right?
yeah, correct.
Directly it apply that Alt F4 key to the this particular window.
Okay.
Okay. So the caption is empty. If you are removing caption, make sure to delete it. The error is coming related to caption.
So if I run it in the new tab, then will it get executed?
Go to Tosca. What is the error you can see? What
Okay,
is the
no,
name here?
then
If you go to your test step, you are not mentioned the caption, but action mode is reflected.
okay, okay,
Go to your
okay,
test case. Right click on caption delete. Your deleted value, but it is not happened. Okay.
okay.
Delete it. Now only key is there. Now try to run. So the backend, which window is opened, it automatically close that irrespective of the caption.
Okay. Okay, Anusha. And
Clear?
then
All
Anusha, you mentioned regarding this constant index, right? I added this also, but somehow it's not working for me. In the standard module, I added this, but this didn't work for me.
so close browser default nature. Let me repeat again, okay? Close browser default nature. It close all the matching tabs.
Okay.
Okay. If we
Okay.
want to close any specific tab, then we have to keep a condition. But if the title is matched, automatically it close the tabs.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think those are my doubts, Anusha.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Very good, Kari.
So,
So
Anusha, from this, I have one question, Anusha. So, the thing is, if a browser is open, then giving a close browser closes it and the process goes smoothly. So, if the browser is not open, just to as a condition, if it exists, close it and if the browser is already closed, how can I give a condition that close the browser does not fail, Anusha?
use if conditions then. See, that is the
Uh,
reason we have to use some if condition, verify the browser is opened or not. If it is open, close. If not open, then it has to nothing to perform, right? Then use
o-
the if conditions. The conditions part we are not discussed so far. So what I suggested to you guys before running the test case, make sure to use the kill operation. If you are using kill operation, you no need to worry even the browser is opened or closed. Understand?
uh, so that's where I am stuck, Anusha. Can you help me out? So here I tried close browser. It did not work for me. Like only when
Yes,
the
the
browser is
closed
open.
browser, if you open, then only it work. Otherwise, it give an error message like the browser is not available, such a kind of
Yeah.
errors. The T-box window is also the same way. So what I
Okay.
said, use the task kill here. Okay, the kill Chrome, the first option. Just drag that one to the first above open URL. Mm. Disable this T-box window. Go to your kill Chrome. So kill Chrome, it is not exactly the module. So it is
Okay.
invalid module. You maybe choose it. That
Okay.
module is T-box start program. What is the name of the module? The path is task kill,
Okay.
and in arguments, don't pass any directories. So
Okay.
what actions we are performing, make sure to do that way. In argument, just pass the arguments. So the argument is a slash f force command, and
Okay.
another argument is img image command. Enter. And one more argument is there. im slash im. Mm. Then chrome.exe. If you see in recordings, I already explained this stuff. Okay.
So
Try to
I
run
try
this
to
debug start program.
so
Run
if
only
I
that
close
particular.
this.
No need, no need. Just don't worry. Just it's already open, right? Try to run this. So the Chrome browser is closed successful.
Okay. Even if I
Even if you run again, also it will work without any error. Because we are not specifically looking for any page, any tab. Okay. It is completely
okay.
apply for the Chrome. We are just killing the process of the Chrome application. Even if it is open, not open. Without any errors, you can able to proceed. Clear?
Okay. What is the significance of this slash and f and slash im, Anusha?
Slash F is nothing but it is a force. We are applying force on the browser. IM
Okay.
means image command.
Okay. For any other application, we just need to give the name, is it?
Just extension. The commands are same. Hmm?
Okay. And one more thing is like, let me share. This. So I have this. Uh, so so when the Excel is open, right? So I try to choose the close when there is a highlight, right, in the Excel. when I try to choose the close, this close button alone is not unique. So how do I do that? Any options?
What is the window here?
One second.
So which window? If you scan, what is the
So
why you are scanning close window? Already you have a T box window operation, right? Directly you can use that.
no, not that. I mean, this highlight is there, right? Like product notice.
Yeah.
Previously,
You
it
have
will
to
be
close
coming
that
there.
window,
Here,
no?
this one, this close
This
is not.
pop-up message. Okay, go to
Yeah.
your scanning window. Scanning window.
Mhm.
I think you closed it. Go to module and
No, that
rescan
is
it.
actually, yeah,
Rescan.
that is a screenshot. So.
See, if it is asking make unique, you can use. So the identification criteria is always same, Srikanth. Okay. Just
Okay.
check the technical properties manually, which one is suitable, add it, and go to representation. If not, go with make unique. The same mechanisms. And choose
Yes, but
identify. Mm.
yeah.
So these the unmapped level 3 controls are added. These 3 controls are not unique. You can see in the bottom.
Yeah. So if I
Protracted view is
choose
not
this
unique.
right,
Since it
uh,
is unique only, right?
it's unique. So unmapped, no, so okay. Let me just close
Save
since
and close.
that one is not opening right now.
Just drag and drop this module to test case and perform click operation that close business.
No, actually, it is that another part which comes of this. So it's not appearing now. This message is a different one. Uh, Not sure how to make it appear. I'm not sure.
Use identification mechanism.
Uh, 1 second. No, actually, when open two, a pop-up will show up right now. Since I done that, uh, this enable editing option, it is not showing right now. That's why I tried to close the Excel and open it again.
Any other questions, Srikanth?
1 second.
Meanwhile, I'll go with others. So, team,
Yeah.
rest of the people, do you have any other questions? Guru, Saujanya, Sania.
Uh, Hello,
Yes, Lakshmi
Anisha.
Nara.
I'm traveling now. I could not able to share screen, but in registration, I do not pass any comment. One that they say how uh, it's an error. How they achieve
I'm just sorry,
work.
Lakshmi, your voice is not audible properly. It's completely breaking.
Uh, if I do in register in registered, if I did not pass any field or anything, it should throw an error. How could I do that part?
Just scan the error message and verify that
When
message is displayed or not.
no, means if I do not give anything, it should come give proper first name, last name like that. It should come now. That errors.
Yes, that error messages can, because each error message, it is a separate window, right? I mean, separate control, right?
Yes,
See,
sir.
that is the behavior of the application. Okay, if you're without passing any value, if you're hitting a register button, yes, it will throw an error messages like first name required, last name required, email required. Just scan all those messages and verify. That is a negative testing. So without
Okay.
scanning those text messages, how we can guide to Tosca to verify that that is not possible, right?
Correct. Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
just do
After
a
after
scan.
scanning it, after scanning
Yes.
it, should I do any condition?
After scanning same process, open URL and then click on register link and then click on register button without passing any value. Once you click on that button, it will show you an error messages. So what module you created for all error messages, drag and drop that module and verify all these messages are displayed as expected using inner text. Heading, that is the
Okay.
flow, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Correct.
So, Srikanth, what you
Yeah.
are trying to do, I'm not getting exactly. You're
Uh,
just trying to look
So
for
this is
the.
the one. When there is selected view, this message will come. So the one where I'm pointing out. So be careful. From the
Yeah, this
internet
is a
can.
screenshot. I understand now. So, what I'm trying to do, the close this message is not unique. That is
Ah.
what your issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, if this is not a unique, you have to make a unique using either technical or representation or identify by anchor. Here you can take anchor message, right? Anchor references of the respective message category, correct? The be
Okay.
careful file from the internet can contain some messages there, right? That is a unique, right? You
Okay.
just
Okay.
selected four control. Out of four, the second one is unique. You can take that control reference to make this message as unique.
Okay. Okay.
That identification is completely common for all applications team. Okay. Don't
Okay.
stuck anywhere. Try to apply first properties and
Okay.
then representation. Then use make unique. If make unique is asking to load properties, just click on OK.
Okay.
Okay. Once you click on OK, it will pick any property to make a unique. If not, then go with identify by anchor or identify by index or identify by image. These mechanisms are quite common for all applications. Clear?
Okay. Okay. When I try to, click on more, load all the properties also, it's not loading it fully.
It will not
What
load
can
fully. So what
uh,
property it is selected by make unique, you can see only that. If you want to
okay.
see all four properties, you have to click on load all properties manually.
No, I did that also. Like click more, load all properties. It did not load. That's why I was stuck there.
It's loading now. Here you can see one warning message. If you click, it will show you. So go to your
Okay.
scanning window. The back end, it is open, right? Just go your scanning window.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on more and load all properties. So maybe these are the properties it is there in the website. Click on that not unique property. Yeah, click on load properties. If any properties are there in the back end, it will load all. If not, it will keep in the same page. Click on make unique button here. It is an Excel, right? It is not a HTML doc, right? To load different kind of styles and all.
Okay.
Hmm? So what properties it is there in the backend, it load. So you can try same thing for HTML. You can see the number of properties here. Understand?
Okay. Okay, Shimon. That's all I have for now.
Yeah, please go
Anusha,
ahead.
Anusha, can I go ahead?
Yes, Saujanya, share your screen.
Okay. So, Anusha, like I tried to launch ORM HRM. It was working until yesterday. I'm not sure, like when I'm executing, Anusha, I'm getting like this error. Like it's taking the username and password, but saying it's still required if I click on the login using automation.
So just pass the input data with the text input method. I think I already explained this, right? I think in a last doubt session or before that only, I missed
Our
it.
username and password, Anusha.
See, you are passing the TCP parameter like CP of username, right?
Yes, yes, Anusha.
Pass that CP username into a text input method. If application not accepting your data directly, the change way of passing the input data. Understand? Use send keys of, let me write the syntax in the chart. I'm just writing here. Use text input instead of send keys.
Okay. No, here with Anusha.
Wait, I'm just typing in the chart. You can take that. Okay, now.
Okay.
I just pinged in the chart. You can take it. So within the text input method, you are passing the CP parameter. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir. So
This way you
we
can pass. It will work.
okay. Instead of okay, Anusha, I got it. So I'll just note it. And also, Anusha, I have a other doubt. Like I tried to automate this red bus automation, Anusha. Just like for the drop down, this one. Okay. So when I try to automate it, it's throwing a error regarding label. I will just show you further. Yeah, I'm trying to search from from drop down, Anusha. I have given the locator as well, but it's throwing error in the from text box.
Let me see.
Yes, sir. Okay. So yes, I'm trying to give in Miyapur in from, but it's not taking. It's throwing an error like label has no default property.
First, perform a click operation on from and then select the option from the drop down. Okay?
Okay, so first one is click operation, and second one I need to give Miyapur, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, one more point here, Saujani. In the second from, action mode is reflected. What about the value? Do we have any value here?
Okay. No.
The below one, I'm just talking. Where
No.
error is triggered, that one. Do you entered any value here? No. Then how
No.
Tosca able to enter some data without passing any value here?
Okay. Uh, okay, understood. I thought like see, when we type Miyapur, it will come, right? Like so it will click on the that. So first we need to click
That is
on it.
fine, but if you see your flow of execution in your Tosca, just go and expand your test case first. What is the flow here? You're just verifying the logos, everything is fine. But from one level action mode is reflected, two level action mode is reflected. What exactly it is? Without passing, see team, day one onwards, I'm telling, okay, if you're not passing any values, just delete it. Delete means not a value, complete field. So if you delete value, action mode is still replicated. So now Tosca is trying to read this value, but it is not possible because there is no value here. And even the control type is a label here. Labels Tosca, it always perform the verification, correct? See, if you're not passing any values in this from underscore one level to underscore one level, delete it. Okay.
Okay, okay, understood. So first, we need to do click operation and then provide the input here.
No, the controls very, very important. Which control level you are passing the click, which control level you are just selecting the option. The drop down level only perform first click operation, then change the cardinality. After that, select option from the drop down. Okay. Just delete this from underscore one. These two are labels. Okay now.
Okay.
Yeah, deleted. Action mode is deleted.
Yeah.
Delete means it will not delete the entire control. Okay. You can see
Okay.
the value column must be empty and action mode column field is also must be empty. Okay. Na? The similar way you can do for the two also. Hmm. Now you are passing the Miyapur, but before passing the Miyapur, make sure to select click operation on that and then select Miyapur.
Okay. So
Okay.
I need to put the cardinality for from and I need to
Exactly.
ask it and again input.
Exactly. So change the cardinality to from. Okay. The first action mode in click with action mode as input, then Miyapur action mode as input. Both the cases input only. Okay.
Okay, okay, understood. And after that, should I search? See, once I search this Anusha, like it's saying like Miyapur, Hyderabad. It will automatically click on Miyapur, or should I again write for this Hyderabad?
You have to
See,
select option from the drop down. Just give a try on the first thing. Okay. What options it is displaying.
okay, yes, yes.
Select that Hyderabad manually and check what value it is populated. So Miyapur, comma Hyderabad. Just pass the drop down value as a Miyapur, comma Hyderabad without selecting a value from drop down. Okay.
Okay,
And first observe this nature. Okay. Once you enter the from, automatically that is disabled. You can see it.
yes, correct, correct.
So once you have to enter the to data. Later you can modify the from data. So application to application, the functionality it vary. Okay now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Accordingly, you can try with the scenarios. Clear?
Yes, sir. So for any drop down, first we need to perform click
Not
operation.
every drop down as per this particular application. So first you have to perform click, then only it is accepting input data.
Yes,
This
okay,
is not the text box to accept directly input data. So the nature, what is happening here, first perform click and then enter the data. So without click, you are passing the data, but this field is not accepting. You can check that also, try running the scenario. Okay.
okay, okay.
Mm.
Yes, yeah, understood. Understood. I will try to do that. I will
Yeah,
do.
just give a try. If you are still having any kind of issues, just post in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Sure, sure. And one more thing, Amsha, like, when do we get synchronization issues, Amsha? Yesterday I was trying for some time, like, I got error, like, synchronization failed after loading the page. Means,
If synchronization is failed, then what is the possible ways we have to do?
I have,
Adding either wait on or update
yes,
your synchronization time at project level or add TCPs.
yeah,
Okay.
correct. Yes, yes. I have, here I have given, so wait on also we can do. Okay. Should we restart, Anushka, like by providing settings in the synchronization project level or not required?
Not required. It automatically apply to the project. Hmm?
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay, Anusha. Thank you,
Thank
Anusha.
you. Team, any other questions?
Hello,
Yes, Harita.
ma'am. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. Here I'm getting this error, ma'am.
Mhm.
Here I'm adding this control. Inner text is equals to your registration completed. But here could not find container your registration completed with the following properties.
Could you please go to this particular test step, right click on that register test step, right click on this particular test step value.
Here, ma'am.
Just do right click, not here. Yeah, right click. Jump to test step value. Wait. So here the registration page, see, it is a continue button. It is not able to verify because it is not available. The issue is here, Harita, you are not scan this control as a unique manner. That is the first thing. Or
Okay.
the registration page, it is verified, right? The issue with this control is not unique. That is the reason it is not verified. Okay. So go to
This
the
is unique
module
only,
and
madam. I
update the
checked.
property. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Just rescan the module and then make it as a unique. Your registration completed screen. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not able to see your screen. Just try to rescan and check that registration completed is unique or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Team, any other questions? Rest of the people?
Anusha, I have questions.
Mhm. Harita, please check and let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Just yes, Kavi, please go ahead.
So Anusha, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay. Share your screen.
Okay, so here, if in this edge I have opened like two NOP browsers and one is this new tab. If I'm trying to do this T-box operation right here, and I've given the caption as NOP. So if I'm trying to execute this on, if that is not an active title, right? It's not getting closed. Is that expected?
Try to run now. Since the NOP is not in active mode.
Oh, so it's like the title should be active, then only it will get closed, right? That browser will get closed.
So the same situation, it works for the closed browser, not a T-box window operation. Hmm? For
Oh,
T-box window operation, must the title, that caption should be active. Okay.
sorry, Anisha, I lost your voice in between.
So what I'm telling, that browser, the tab should be active. You just mentioned NOP, right? NOP should active, then only it close the window.
Okay. And then Anusha, there is this another scenario, like if I'm opening the browser
Mhm.
first,
Mhm.
And now I'm trying to open it in a new window. This is the active window, right?
Yes.
So if I'm trying to run now, which one will get closed, Anusha, for the T box thing? The
The
first open or the last active one?
the recent active one.
Oh, okay. Okay, Anusha. Then yeah, fine. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kavya. So what about Harita? Are you able to make a unit?
Ma'am, three controls are unique only, but here I need to click any
So your screen is
identity.
not fully visible, first point. Okay. I'm just stopping your screen, share your screen again, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, your registration completed. Continue, log out these three or not unique properties. You have to make a unit. Okay. So first, see, share your entire screen, Harita. I'm just stopping again, share your entire screen. If you click on share, you can able to see screen by default, it's selected. Just click on share button, okay?
Yeah.
So go to your browser. Which browser this window is opened, NVP Commerce registration screen. You are in the register page. How Tosca able to scan that controls? So which page you are trying to scan, make sure you are in the same page. Okay, try to do registration here first. Otherwise, run the scenario, cancel that registration screen. Try to run the scenario from the scratch. Then it will navigate to the registration screen. Close that scanning window first. Yeah, please close it. Now come back to your test case. Try to run the test case from the scratch. Registration flow.
It's loading, ma'am.
The password fields are not entered.
But last time it's not shown, madam.
Check the script, okay? If anything is disabled or enabled, I don't know what is happening. I'm not checked that
Okay.
entire code as well, right? Just show me your code. Scroll down. Scroll down. Still go down. You're just passing the confirm password. Check the test configuration parameter. Do you passed any value over there? Test configuration section. So there in the above, you can see test configuration tab. Click on that. Little bit top. Yes. Do you entered any password here? I think so. No. Do check out and rename this password. Check out the test case and then edit. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I think more than one tab I opened, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Close the entire browser. Close the entire browser and rerun the scenario. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just give a try. Still the issue is coming. Do let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Bye bye, team.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Team, bye.
Thank you, sure. Bye.
Thank you all. Bye.
Anusha? Hello.
Yes, Sauranya.
Anusha, last out, like, just, so, Anusha, I'm able to log in. I just wanted to click on this particular arrow button. See, if I click on this, then only I'm able to search admin, Anusha, like in Orange HRM.
Your question?
Am I audible, Anusha?
Yes, yes. What is your question here?
So, once I log into Orange HRM, I should click on this particular arrow, then only this will be expanded, this left side, okay, window. So, this one, I'm getting error, Anusha, like, here. After logging into HRM, I'm unable to click on this particular, this one, this one. I need to
Your
expand.
you need to expand, but your scan control is different. You just scan the search control.
Okay.
You're not scan this exact arrow control. You can check that again. The text is also, it is telling it's clearly a search input text box.
Okay.
So without performing that expansion arrow, how you could able to enter that admin over there? That is not
Yeah,
possible, right?
that's what I have selected that I think, okay. I'm trying to click on that particular one. So might be, okay, Anusha, I'll just check if it is correctly highlighted or not.
Yeah. Please check that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, team. Bye bye.